What's up, everybody? My name is Gbari, aka GQ, and welcome to Dance with VS, Versastyle's online street dance tutorials. Today, I will be teaching y'all the CitiRokk. Let's do it. All right, so a little brief history about the CitiRokk. The CitiRokk was created by a guy named City Boy Rio. From what he said, he created this dance from kind of watching Chris Tucker in Rush Hour, and he was doing the snake. Hey, hey. And he just took it and put his own spin on it, his own groove, his own swag, and added some variations to it, got together with his friends, and filmed it, and became this world-renowned dance. It's kind of done all over the place, all over TikTok, all over social media, is in pretty much every little challenge, from the Renegade Challenge to the Savage Challenge. It's done all over the place. So let's learn the CitiRokk. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna actually do our rock. We're gonna rock to the front, and we're gonna rock to the side, and then we come to the front. We're gonna come back, rock to the front, rock to the side, back to center. Just like that, just our rocks. 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, rock, center. Rock, rock, center. Again, rock, rock, center, and rock, rock, center. As we do this, there's a slight bounce in the shoulder. So we go bounce, bounce, center, and bounce, bounce, center. Yeah? Let's try just that, the rock and the bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, rock, center. Rock, rock, center. Again, rock, rock, center, and rock, rock, center. Yes. And our last little thing that we're gonna add to this is there's a swipe of the arms. So we're crossing our arms in front of us. This happens when we come back to center. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you do it, kind of really get into it, sink into that groove, let it feel good, have lots of fun with it. All right? And that is the CitiRokk. Let's try it with some music. All right, here we go with the CitiRokk. We're gonna do it to the front and do it to the back. Let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now let's try it to the back. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. All right, back to the front. And a 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Hey, hey. Now let's get creative with it. Hey. Hey, hey. Six and 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. That's the CitiRokk. All right, there we go. We just broke down the CitiRokk. A couple of reminders. Don't forget that rock, and don't forget that bounce. That's your swag, that's your sauce, yeah? This is only one part of it. The arms is just one part of it. Make sure you keep that groove going, all right? Also, this is a hip hop social dance. Get creative with it, get fancy with it, do your thing with it. Take it and grow it in your own way. All right, without further ado, that is our class. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like this video. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at VersaStyleLA. And if you're feeling like following me too, you can follow me too. It is Gbari Denzel, Gbaridenzel on IG. And I'll see you next time.